My name is Kudakwashe Mzenda. I am a law student at Herbert Chitepo Law School, which is under Great Zimbabwe University. I am here as a participant in the JESUP International Moot Competition, which is a competition that involves at least 700 teams from over 90 countries, where they argue a hypothetical case under the rules of the International Court of Justice, which is a United Nations court that deals with disputes between states.
So how did you fare here, as far as you're concerned?
I think we gave it our best shot. The competition concerned aspects of international law that are perhaps in a way peculiar to Zimbabwe, issues to do with submarines, issues to do with nuclear weapons, and given that background, I think we gave it our best shot. We, however, await to see the announcements of results this evening to see whether we'll proceed to the top 32.
So how do you feel for participating in such competitions?
It is a very meritorious moment, especially for my nation. You will note that since 1980, this is the fourth time that Zimbabwe has managed to participate in this very important tournament. Past winners and participants of this tournament have gone on to become diplomats, have gone on to become judges of international courts. So this is a very important platform in terms of exposure, in terms of experience, and also it's a platform for Zimbabwe to show to the world that Zimbabwe is a powerful participant and a member of the international legal framework of the world.
Were the cases complicated or there were simple cases to deal with?
This was a very complex case which involves a number of issues. There are issues of espionage, there are issues of nuclear weapons, there are issues of arbitration, there are also issues to do with nuclear weapons. So it's a concoction of sorts of a number of complex issues, and it was very difficult for us, particularly when you also consider that you are competing against a team that has also put in preparations